Buenas tardes a todos, and welcome to this video, which has been asked for by quite a few people on the channel, just asking me to have another look at the Avenida Rio Nalón, now that it should hopefully all be finished, fully finished. It's been a couple of weeks since we've had a look at it, so time for a wee update, and let's see what's been going on there. Now, just as I'm doing it, I just wanted to say thanks to everyone that's been watching the videos. This is actually my 100th YouTube video, and we're almost up at 2,000 subscribers now, so I just want to say thanks. And if you are watching, you haven't subscribed yet, just click on the wee subscribe button. It doesn't cost you anything, and it just helps the channel grow, so please do that for me. So I thought I'd take a minute just to add in the 525 Plaza at the top end of the strip. It kind of can get overlooked, and it has been when I've been doing the videos, because obviously there's been no development there, but I just thought it was probably worthwhile including it on this one, just to let you have a wee look and see what's there. I hope you find it useful. Baldoria here is a new sort of cocktail bar. It's just recently opened in the last couple of months. Just opposite that, a couple of estate agents, and then you've got the Pizzeria Sorel d'Italia. So big Italian restaurant, pizzas, pastas, etc. One of these little sports bars there. I think if you fancy a flutter, that's the place to go. Good perfume shop, then Curry's Direct, a couple of legal businesses at the top there, and then you've got the Bodega Bar Willie here, which we'll just walk past, let you see it. Very popular in the summer months. Really busy Friday, Saturday night, and usually give you some free dance lessons if you want to take part in that. Then a little pizza restaurant at the top, and then obviously you've got the 525 hotel there as well. Just on the other side, there's a bank there, there's a economy supermarket, and then you've got the Park and Cafe, a little restaurant, another big estate agent, Burger King here. So if you fancy your Burger King fix, you can get that here in Los Alcázares as well. As well, of course, as McDonald's, which is now open just along the road. And then in the corner you've got the Tipsy Thistle, which proves to be quite a popular place. Gets very popular for breakfast. Not open in the evening yet, they'll be switching to that soon. A couple of little shops. That one's Vogue's moved to the little shopping arcade behind. Hairdressers, and then a little estate management place, Space Real Estate, sell houses as well. And then finally, right in the middle, you have Madness. So they do a fantastic selection of coffees in here. They also do fantastic Eggs Benedict. If you're ever looking for the Eggs Benedict for breakfast, you'll get it in Madness here, right in the middle of the 525 Plaza. So keep that in mind if you're looking for something for a wee change. So there's obviously a lot more businesses open now. We're now on to mid-February. It's just it's around 5:30 evening here on Wednesday night. We've had another smashing day. Weather's been great, but it's cooling down a little now in the evening, but that's to be expected. So first things first, the big area that was still outstanding, needing work, was at the top of the strip here. Now I've been told that they're going to be putting a tourist information office here at the top end. So we'll wait and see. They've kind of finished the kids' play part now. So they've put in this equipment here. A little bit of planting just to finish here. and then they've put these fairly large tile blocks in and allowing grass to grow in between. So nice walkway through there. So that's came together quite nicely now, just this little bit to be sorted at the top end here. Baldoria at the top of the strip. Used to be the square bars, open cocktails. Then we've got Olive, little shoe shop which is always popular. Now Bucci's is still closed. Don't know what's happening with that. I know it was up for sale, but I've not heard any further word yet. I'm just going to scan both sides as we walk down rather than doing up and down. Penny Farthing's open. They've got some little tables outside, which is nice. And on the right hand side here we've got Sybarit is back open again with a little bit of a terrace outdoors, nowhere near as big as they had before. The little Delish Mexican's not open yet, and the Run restaurant is open with some tables outside. So there's some outdoor seating here and there. Cuddleif's open. GLM, if you're looking for some property, it's always a good place to start. La Diva here is normally open, but it's closed tonight. It's probably going to be open later on in the week again. Bubble Waffle Place is still closed. Athens is still closed. And the Kilt, as always, is open. So Juniper Gin and Fizz, they're closed tonight, but they're normally open. Rocco's is open. Buenas tardes, yeah, how are you? All good. Guys in Fusion will do you a curry. Rico's open. Lots of tables outside, which is good. Veni still closed. So I think some of them are just opening at the weekends at the minute. There's still a few that are closed that I would have expected to be open. And then just on the other side, Milo is open again, and again they've also got some tables outside. So if you're looking to come down and eat outside, then you can certainly do that now. There's a lot more places have got tables outside. A little bit in the middle here, planting's all done. Again, they're growing the grass up through these blocks at both sides. So yeah, all coming together. And just in the little side street here, the chef's table, fully open again, and all the tables outside. So it's all coming together nicely. There are a few bins that have popped up here and there as well, so it's nice to see people seem to be using those too. So we'll just carry on. We've got Annie's Bar, always a popular spot in the afternoons. Gets the sun all afternoon, which is great. The little gift shop's open again, and another little estate agent. Hi Annie, how you doing? Little lottery shop. Pearl's Place now open again, Tuesdays and Fridays I believe, and Perlitas is open at the weekend, so always a good night in both of those. Just on the other side here, most of these are closed at the minute. Infinity Hairdressers is always open, and then we've got the other little barber shop that's open at this side. Harry's Bar's open if you're looking for a drink in there. Renting bicycles, come in and see the guys at Jesselcar. They'll sort you out with both ordinary bicycles and electric bikes, and they've even got some trikes if you want. And I noticed they've got this little scootery wheelchair type thing if you know anyone that needs one. Hemingway's open, great steak pie in there. Mai Tai Surf Bar's not open, and I missed Punto and Coma, just in behind all the racks have closed there. They're open at the weekends at the minute. 19th hole's normally open but shut tonight. and obviously another little estate agent, and then you've got the Garden restaurant on the corner here. Still closed at the minute. Now just next to that, the Bar Bistro Rotterdam is open again, and the lounge and Zarkos are fully open, so plenty choice if you're looking to come down to have a bite to eat or a bit of a drink. Just looking at the big Marty Feldman painting still on the wall here. I believe that Zarkos used to be called Marty Feldman, so maybe if that's the case you can let me know. That's what I'd heard, so I don't know how true it is. So yeah, bins here. These little shops at the bottom are open. No word from McCurry's yet, and I can't see any notices up on it to say what's happening there. They only bought that in the last year, so I'll be surprised if it doesn't open back up again. All the little gift shops are open here with all their wares outside. Plenty choice there. Bangles, bracelets, flip-flops, hats, all sorts of stuff, water bottles. A little souvenir shop, and then the ice cream shop is still closed. And then just on the other side past Zarkos, La Cafeteria Sin Nombre. Again, they do cracking little tapas in there. Plenty choice in there all the time. Hola Mustafa! One of the most famous guys in Los Alcázares, Mustafa, he's always selling stuff around the various bits and bobs in Los Alcázares, so you'll see him. Buy with confidence, he'll look after you. And that pretty much does it. I'm not going to spend too much time on any much more, because there's nothing really much to see that's different. It's just been another great day, as I said earlier. Just enjoyed some time out in the sunshine, a wee glass of vino earlier today, so we'll bring this one to a close at this point. So there you go. That's just a quick walk down the Avenida Rio Nalón in Los Alcázares, known locally as The Strip. Just a little bit to finish at the top now, but to all intents and purposes fully complete. So hopefully you enjoyed that wee video. As I said earlier, please like and subscribe, and if you'd like me to do anything else, any other videos, please just let me know in the comments, and I'll be happy to do that for you. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next video. Hasta luego.